focus on the Adani Group stocks. There is some kind of a sell-off happening, and that's also because just now the news is coming in that Total Energies SE company has said in a statement that it will not make any new financial contribution as part of its investments into the Adani Group of companies amid the US federal indictment against the head of the company and his nephew. And they are saying in a statement, and I quote, "Until such time when the accusations against the Adani Group individuals and their consequences have been clarified, Total Energies will not make any new financial contribution as part of its investments in the Adani Group of companies," unquote. So that's the statement that's coming in, and you can clearly see that there is a sharp sell-off happening on Adani Green, especially 8.5% lower is what you see this stock now trading at. And let's also look at Adani Energy Solutions. That's the other one that is seeing a sharp downfall now, about 3.5% lower in trade. It's been a one-way downtick after that opening in a buoyant zone for Adani Energy. Remember that Total Energies has acquired 50% of stake in the 3 JVs operating renewable energy assets, that is Adani Green Energy 23 in 2020, AREL 9 in 2023 and AREL 64 in 2024. So that's the kind of investments it has already done, but going forward from here, it's not going to be doing any fresh financial investments. Total Energies has also said in their statement that the company rejects corruption in any form, and that probably is the reason for this sharp sell-off right here. Brijesh ji, I'll just understand a wide understanding that you have really done of the Adani Group of companies after last week's of US indictment. Now the process will follow. We'll just keep on getting all these developments that are taking place. First it was Kenya, and now it is Total Energies that is wanting to distance themselves from the company, and further they are stopping any new investments. Of course, this does not sound to be a good news for the company, and you know, the company has consistently been having to prove itself and on corporate governance for the last 2 or 3 years. First it was Hindenburg, and now it is the US indictment on the bribery charges. What does all of this really mean for an average retail investor, sir?
So last time also, if you remember, you asked me about the Adani stocks, and I clearly mentioned better to be away from the Adani stocks. Why? Because they are high beta counter, and as whenever the news comes, we see a sell-off in a downside. And you know, 10%, 20% is a normal way of an Adani stocks wild swing from down to up or up to down is being considered. Now, if we look out the Adani stocks, like Adani Total Gas has been considered, it's trading near the flat to negative, but still overall trend has been negative. Why? A daily chart as well as the hourly chart, both the chart, if we look out, in most of the Adani stock, whether that be Adani Port, Adani Enterprises, Adani Green, or Adani Total Gas is being considered, they are trading below the previous swing low, followed by the important moving average, that is 50-day simple moving average or the 200-day simple moving average. That indicates that the trend right now it has been negative, and the previous swing lows which has been broken, that has been broken with a huge volume. Now, if I look out like Adani Total Gas has been considered, previous swing low is still right somewhere around 545, that is the 52-week low. Now it's trading at 600 mark. So if I say that Adani Total doesn't trade about this of 670, any right should be used to go for a short, and I feel that again it would be retesting 545. If I look at the Adani put with the gap, the trend is still been negative. 1210 to 1230 band is a tough resistance to cross. I feel that again it might be retesting 1050 around zone. Adani Green has been considered in 1986 around. It's been trading at today's session. We have seen stock making a new 52-week low. Till the stock doesn't trade above 1200 mark, the trend of Adani Green look negative, and if this 933 breaks, then 800 would be coming in the way. So better to be stay away. Suppose someone has bought it, then I would be saying use rise to exit. Trend is still not been clear. Let the trend be clear, and if it is the stock has been trading on the higher price, or nothing wrong, at least if the trend is clear, you can buy with the stop loss has been considered.
Okay, let me just read out the detailed statement for our viewers to really understand what Total Energies has said. Remember, Total Energies is a global integrated energy company that produces and markets energies like oil and biofuels, even natural gas, green gases, renewables, and even electricity as well. In January of 2021, TotalEnergies acquired a minority interest in the listed company, that's Adani Green Energy Limited, AGEL, of which now it owns about 19.75%. As part of its strategy to enhance its development in renewable energies in India through direct access to portfolio of assets, TotalEnergies has also acquired 50% of the stake in 3 joint operating ventures of renewable assets, AGEL 23 and in 2020, AREL 9 in 2023 and AREL 64 in 2024. So those are the concerns because of the existing investors who have put in their money and who want to protect their investors' interest rights there. TotalEnergies recalls that its investment in Adani entities were undertaken in full compliance with applicable laws and with TotalEnergies' own integral governance processes pursuant to due diligence and representations made by the sellers. In particular, TotalEnergies, they are saying, was not made aware of the existence of an investigation into the alleged corruption scheme as well. So there is a clear distancing that some of the investors of the erstwhile past in these Adani Group companies are now indicating right there. Therefore, they have clearly talked about no further investments will be taken now.